All right, I just want to show you how much fun I'm having with this little mini drone. It was $30. Watch this. Look how cool that is. Watch those tricks.
Whoa! When did you learn how to do that?
You learn how to do it.
Okay.
All right, that's Jazz filming, by the way. All right, so watch this. It's gonna land in my hand. I'm gonna just toss it back up in the air, and it keeps going.
All right, come past me. Like this. Go. Bring it. Woo! Do another one. Like right over my head. Whoa.
And I know drones are bad. I know they're used to kill people, but this kind of drone is fun, I have to admit. And of course I'm against drones killing people.
No, that was the one.
Oh my gosh.
Really.
Alright. Let me get you, Jazz.
Go.
Alright. I'm gonna watch it.
Are you gonna land?
I'm gonna land. Ready?
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.